Mansory gives us a look at their new F8 Spider soft kit, and it now pumps out 868 horsepower and a lot of new looks. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, if you're passionate about the world of supercars, then you know without a doubt that Ferrari is synonymous with excellence in this sector. And the Ferrari F8 Spider is a clear example of this. But what happens when the German tuner Mansory gets his hands on a masterpiece from Maranello? Well, you're looking at the F8 Spider soft kit. Now, looking as controversial as their previous takes on this particular model, the project is presented in white with a few black accents and some red touches here and there. Overall, the choice of colors is not bad at all. It's a great spec, but the add-ons, well, they're a little bit more aggressive and could be a little extra for your eyes. Each and every component that Mansory has added to the Ferrari F8 Spider are in forged carbon fiber. This includes the pieces next to the front air intakes, the apron with the side blades, attachments above the main clusters, the hood add-ons, new side mirror castings, and additional trim on the sides. It features the side skirt attachments with the same look, a wing at the rear, a new diffuser with an F1-like brake light incorporated in the middle, and several other things. Now, the wheels are also new and spin around with the red calipers. Now, shockingly, Mansory didn't put a spotlight on the interior, which probably means they haven't done much to it. Images reveal that black is the overall hue of the interior, with a few red accents like those on the seat belts and what appears to be a 12 o'clock marker on the steering wheel in the color of the Italian flag. Now, according to the social media post, the F8 Spider also has a power boost in addition to the add-ons, which are part of what Mansory calls a soft kit, and some interior tweaks. Now, the tuner claims that the output has gone up to 880 PS, 868 horsepower, 647 kilowatts. The torque now stands at 960 newton meters, 708 pound-feet. This apparently allows the Italian supercar to sprint from 1 to 100 kilometers an hour, or 62 miles per hour, in 2.6 seconds. Now, what does this mean compared to the stock variant? Well, it would be 3/10 faster to 100 kilometers per hour, or at least that's what Mansory says. The F8 Spider normally takes 2.9 seconds for the sprint and tops out at 340 kilometers, or 211 miles per hour. Now, its twin turbocharged 3.9 liter V8 produces 720 PS, 710 horsepower, 530 kilowatts, and no less than 770 newton meters, 568 pound-feet of torque. Now, curious if the open top F8 was commissioned by one of their wealthy clients or if it's for sale. Not exactly sure, but it is here. It's a real thing, and I want to know what you guys think. Did Mansory take a more subtle approach with this F8, or is it still as wild as ever? What do you like better, the power output and performance tuning, or the looks and styling? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, you can always check out my links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon. In case you guys want to donate a couple extra dollars, help your boy out, I appreciate the extra love you guys show. As always, thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.